Best Immersion Blender 2022 Hand Blenders for Soups. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you're all doing well. In today's video, it is going to be about the top 6 of the best immersion blenders in 2022. So without any further ado, let's get started. Braun MQ505. Immersion blenders, also known as hand blenders or stick blenders, are the actual icons of the kitchen now. They are perfect for those with limited storage space and who just love to cook. So at first, we have the Braun MQ505. This blender makes cooking faster, simpler, and smoother. It features a PowerBell system that lets you blend ingredients in a flash, virtually eliminating splashing and saving you precious time. And with 350 watts of power at your fingertips, delivered by precision, its German-engineered motor will allow you to blend, puree easily, or whisk your favorite foods. Your pureed mixtures will stay where they belong in the beaker, mixing bowl, or stock pot. A 20-ounce beaker and whisk attachment are included along. So in all, we can say that this bronze blender is a dependable, high-performing gadget that's more than capable of helping you around the kitchen. Next is Cuisinart RHB-100. This Cuisinart RHB-100 is a battery-powered immersion blender that can make great smoothies. Its blades and blade guard are stainless steel, while the motor base and transmission are made of plastic. There are battery status indicators with lights and a micro USB port on top of its handle, and its power button is housed on the front of the handle, making it easy to control. Now coming into its performance, it has a 1-speed setting that's quite fast, so if you want to simulate a pulse mode, you can hold down its lock button and repeatedly press and release the power button. It is also great for making soups, which means you can use it for hot blending as well. You will get almost 20 minutes of continuous runtime, while its quick charge will take only up to 2 hours to fully charge. Next up, we have the Vitamix blender. Vitamix has a top-of-the-line reputation for professional and home use, and its immersion blender fully lives up to that hype. It has the power and durability to handle challenging tasks and large batch sizes every time, including thicker soups, sauces, and smoothies. Its specially designed bell guard can actually reduce suction and helps ingredients flow easily through the blades while protecting pots, pans, and your favorite blending containers from scratches. And when it comes to its settings, it has got 5 different speeds and can run continuously for up to 4 minutes in terms of battery. It is easy to use, clean, and featuring a 5-foot-long cord will help you awfully to reach between pots and faraway outlets. So at around $150, this Vitamix immersion blender is one of the most expensive immersion blenders on the market. But if you can afford it, it's worth the price and will last for years. Next is nutribullet. This nutribullet is a compact and affordable immersion blender. Coming in a direct stick design, it is very easy to assemble with a simple twist of the blender shaft or can whisk attachment onto the motor. On the front of the blender, it has 2 buttons for minimum and maximum speed, and at the top of the blender, there's a variable speed dial for fine control of speed. Now for the performance, with 350 watts, this immersion blender can blend ingredients right in your cup, bowl, or pot. You can use the blade to blend batters, dressing, dips, and hot soups without waiting for any cooling or transferring. And finally, for cleaning, the easiest way to clean this blender's shaft is to immerse it in a jar or any other container with soap water and let it run to clean the blades. Next, we have the Crocker BC1303CK with a 18/10 stainless steel blade, 200 watts of extreme power, and 2-speed pulse action. This hand blender has what it takes to get the job done. Its sleek, contemporary style with ergonomic handle and control switch will leave comfortable in your hand, making operation quick and easy. You can use it to chop, puree, mince, and blend to make creamy soups or prepare a delicious smoothie in seconds. And in terms of its settings, it has a unique 2-speed selection with pulse control. You will get a 600mm mixing beaker along with the blender. And finally, for cleaning, its blending shaft is detachable and dishwasher safe, while its beaker can also be used for storage purposes. Lastly, we have the Mueller Ultra-Stick. This stick blender is a great option if our top picks don't fit within your budget for an immersion blender. With a 500-watt motor and comfortable ergonomic handle, this 3-in-1 blender is carefully calibrated to deliver both looks and utility for the long haul. It can be used to make baby food purees, smoothies, smooth soups and sauces, and even homemade peanut butter or almond butter. You will get 9 speeds, a lower setting for things like frothing hot drinks, and higher settings for blending starches and thick soups. And along with that, it also offers a turbo mode, a setting found on the side of your blender's handle. This burst of increased power will help you efficiently move through high resistance, dense recipes with ease. It ships with a milk frother and a whisk attachment, so you can use it to whip cream, beat eggs, or make a batch of mayo. And finally, for the cleaning, you can simply detach your chosen attachment from your blender and place it in the dishwasher, or you can even run it under warm water. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.